Hello everyone, my name is Neha Baheti from TYBBA section C, roll number 207. Today I am presenting my ED assignment, which is the life story of an Indian male social entrepreneur, Harish Hande. Harish Hande is an Indian social entrepreneur who co-founded Selco India in 1995. He was born on 1st March 1967 in Odisha. Harish grew up in the steel town of Odisha, where he did all his schooling through grade 12 before entering the IIT for undergraduate work in energy engineering. Harish then traveled to the US to complete his master's degree and a PhD. Even as a student, Harish showed entrepreneurial talent. Harish's doctoral field work was in Sri Lanka and India. However, it was a trip to the Dominican Republic for his master's degree research that sold him on the promise of solar power as a viable energy solution for the poor. Returning to the US, he reconnected with his co-founder and began to draft the design of Selco. They headquartered in Bangalore because Karnataka has a large network of financial institutions in the rural area. Under Harish's founding leadership and vision, Selco has managed to work for hundreds of thousands of underserved and forgotten Indians, deliver modern energy solutions, and withstand massive supply side inflation without passing on the cost to its customers. The problem which he solved was an absence of electricity has many consequences, such as people returning to dark homes after a demanding work day, being subject to toxins and heat from burning kerosene oil, etc. Harish connected this social condition with disastrous environmental effects. Without access to electricity, people are forced to use insufficient substandard forms of energy, most commonly fossil fuels, such as kerosene oil. Burning these fuels releases toxins in the air that are damaging to health and environment also. The idea which he came up with was he charted the Selco in 1995 to challenge some assumptions. Selco has proven the poor can afford and benefit from modern and clean energy services. Selco has provided sustainable energy services to the underserved and keep cost to a minimum by focusing on the specific lighting needs of its client, as opposed to the common practice of catering to a general electricity demand of a population. As Selco offers unique products and services to deliver electricity to the poor, its financing methods are equally important. Since an energy service to an underserved household can represent several months of income, the provision of affordable and accessible credit is essential. By partnering with credit cooperatives, commercial and regional rural banks, Selco helps customers obtain the necessary credit to purchase solar, lighting and heating system. The strategy he came up with was Harish's initial focus was not where he could make a profit, but the viability of the technology and its transaction among Selco's target consumers. He strategically positioned Selco to function within the needs sector to provide clean and energy services. The organization keeps costs to a minimum by creating the smallest solar PV system for a given space and user. Harish's first challenge was to find technicians working in the rural area to do the installation. Through a door-to-door process, Harish formed the Selco's team. In 2004, Selco's business model was influenced by an unexpected outside force. To protect Selco's future viability, Harish made a key decision to grow the organization vertically. Selco's success is based on innovation in maintenance and customization processes, as well as sound cost structure that make the solar rural electrification a long-term viable option for families, small business owners, communities who depend on light for commerce, education and cultural activities. Selco's story is an improbable one. Harish believes people usually don't capture the true reasons for their success. So unlike failure, success is often not as easy to learn. Thank you.